How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. And quickly addressing this question, can you use ExpressVPN on multiple devices? Now, the answer is, well, yes, you can use ExpressVPN on multiple devices because ExpressVPN offers apps for a wide range of devices, including Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, Linux, routers, and more. And you can use ExpressVPN on up to 5 devices at a time. So for example, you can have it active on your laptop, smartphone, and tablet all at the same time. But what you can do additionally is set up ExpressVPN on your router, which will allow you to use the VPN on any device that connects to the router. And this can be a convenient way to use ExpressVPN on multiple devices without having to install the VPN on each device individually. And the cool thing about ExpressVPN is that you don't have to enter your credentials. What you do is just go to secure all your devices and click the email setup link, and you'll be sent an email and you'll have a code in it, and you can just put the code into your device and you'll be good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys are interested in Express, you'll find links to pricing and discounts in the description down below, as well as a full review if you'd like to learn more about the privacy policy, speed, streaming, and torrenting capabilities, as well as security and features of ExpressVPN. And of course, keep in mind that Express is covered by a 30-day money-back guarantee. In case you're not satisfied with it for whatever reason, you can still claim that refund. Besides that, comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.